It's one of those days, traveling on a long distance journey in your car, spending a lot on petrol while the environment suffers the side effects. Nosa chose a different way to travel, with Gomywayride. It's a lot more fun, environmentally friendly, and he saves a lot of money by sharing his travel costs.
Hi, I'm Nosa. I use Gomywayride to share my city-to-city car journeys with other people. If you're traveling by car like me, you just publish the date and details of your trip on Gomywayride. The app automatically calculates a fair contribution per person. Uche is an accountant, her husband Dare is an engineer, and Fatima is a dentist. All three wanted to do the same trip, but the options were limited, especially at last minute. Instead of taking a bus or a train, they used Gomywayride. Did a simple search for their journey, chose me, and requested to share my ride. I checked their profiles and agreed. They enjoyed the comfort of my car and shared my travel expenses. During the trip, we had a fun chat, and after the ride, we all gave each other ratings to build a reputation on Gomywayride.
Gomywayride, the trusted carpool solution in Africa. Available for free on the App Store and Google Play.